Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome to the last installment for Christmas All Year 2024. I decided to come on and share my Grinch Christmas tree with all of you guys. Usually I would do my shabby chic Christmas tree, but this year I wanted to do something on a smaller scale. And I wanted to do something fun, cute, and whimsical. And I love how my Grinch Christmas tree turned out this year. Also, I wanted to come on and invite you to participate in Christmas All Year next year for 2025. All you have to do is just send me an email at scrappassion01@yahoo.com and just put in the subject bar Christmas All Year 2025 and leave your name and your YouTube channel. And you guys, you must be active, on YouTube, doing videos within the last 6 months. So I hope you decide to play along this year. This has been awesome. I have had a lot of fun, and I appreciate all of the participants this year. Their YouTube channels will be listed in the description box below, so you guys can run over and see what they have created for you today. I hope you decide to play along. Merry Christmas to all of you and a Happy New Year. I hope everyone enjoys the holiday seasons and, enjoy your family and friends. And that concludes Christmas All Year 2024. Be blessed. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.